Hi guys, my name is Yao. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to installing a screen on the passenger side. Let me show you what the screen look like. When you got the screen, you will be got this box, and this screen is made by ATE and Bosch. And when you open it, this is the screen, and I believe this is a 9 for the screen. And if you're going to installing this screen by yourself, you are going to need this plastic trim removal and screwdriver and nut driver. You're also going to need to remove the CD player from the glove box. You are going to need the CD player removal tool. And also big thanks to Progressive Auto Workshop, because they lent me these tool kits for me. And if you guys are in Victoria on the Vancouver Island, you need something to do related to your car, or if you guys want to buy some products from APR, you can just find this shop, and they are also the only dealer from APR on the Vancouver Island. Let's see where I'm going to install this screen. And the screen will be replace these vents, because this vents is not functional. And I believe the Audi made these vents just have a bad looking, and we are going to replace this. Now let's start the work. You are going to remove here first by using this trim removal. You just plug it in, and then just pull it out, and then you open the glove box. You are going to use the nut driver, and the nut is 8mm, and you are going to take the nut out. Be sure you put every nut in a safe place, otherwise you will lose them. I hope I'm doing the right thing. Now we are going to take two screws out at the here and here. Now we are going to take this trim out, and then we have access to take this vent out. When I trying to remove this trim, and I found out there is a screw at here, so I have to remove this part out and take the screw out, then I can remove this part. So more work to go. Now this trim is off. Now we are going to need to remove this nut, I believe, and this nut, and this nut there. I already put it out, and then I think this vent can come out. Now the vent is off. When I'm trying to remove the vent, I've also found that there are two nuts, one at here and one at here, so you have to take this piece off first, then you can remove these two nuts. As you can see, this vent is really not functional. It's blocked. Not this two is through, this is blocked, so we don't need this. Now guys, this vent is finally removed. Let me tell you something. Before you remove this vent, you have to remove this part at the here, and you have to start it from this way to pull this side here out, and then you, in order to put every click out from the left to the right. And then after remove this, you have to remove these two cover in here and here, You really need something small like this to take the downside of the click out, and then the upside will be out. After you take these two out, and then you can just push it, and this non-function vent will be out. Now I'm going to install the screen. Now as you can see, the screen is already in here. After you push the screen in, you have to use these two brackets, as you can see here, to hold it. And these two brackets is in the box, and also they include the screw to hold the screen at the back. Now the screen is in the position. Now let's we going to use this magic key to remove this CD player to access the line to the screen. Now this vent is back to the car. As you can see, everything is good. And after I use this key, as you can see here, I use this key to remove out the CD player, and all of this wire is too short, so I cannot access to the back CD player, so I have to take out this bracket, then I can access it. Now I'm going to put this screen wire to back on this one. For some tips, if your wires for back of your CD player is longer enough, so you don't have to remove this bracket, and if your wires on back of your CD players is short as mine, so you have to take these brackets out to access the back of the CD player. And for this key, for some tips, you have to push this in, really in, and then you can feel locked in there, then you can pull them out. And after you finish this key, before you push this CD player back, you have to press this button to let the key out, then you can push this back in. Now we are going to finish this part and see this screen will be function or not. Now I put this CD player brackets back, and the wires, everything is good. Now we are going to have a first start to see this screen will be function. Let's we see. Yes, guys, it's function. Let's peel this off. As you can see, the RPM and the gear, the outside temperature and the clock and the speed and the fuel. And you can by pressing this display button to change the setup on the display. And this short memory, this long memory, and this the time. I think this is all the thing you can see. Now let's we put everything back to the car, and we are going to have a run. Now as you can see, everything is set up on both sides. Now let's we start up the car. See. Let's we open the valve. I think this is a cold start. As you can see, the temperature show on here is 9.5, and here 9.5, 3:35 o'clock, 3:35 o'clock, and no seat belt on, no seat belt on, and the gas is same. The gas is same as well. And let's we change the display. This is same. 2019 February 2nd. 2019 February 2nd. Saturday. Next one. Short memory. And long memory. Now let's we give some gas to see. think these two, the RPM is same. Yes, I think this is really cool. I think the red line is different. This red line is 6,750 and here is 5,750. I think this is the only problem I found out for now. So this is the screen on the passenger side. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and also let me know how do you think this screen. Please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram as well. Thank you for your watching. I will see you next video.